Okay, here's another video following on from the turbo bolt removal and how you can get to that to change out this pipe or change the seal. The next one, or this one, comes up quite a lot, is how to change the air filter. I'm going to show you a different way. You don't have to take all this off and get the brace off and so on. That's how I used to do it, but I've discovered a different way and I'm going to show you now. So first of all, you want to air feed off. You want to take these 3 bolts off. You can use a 10mm for that, no, 8mm for those. Take that out of there. You see the pipe exposed there, sorry, the air filter exposed there. Next, what you want to do is you want to take this air feed off. Now these are, I think these are 8s as well, by the looks of it. Yeah, these are 8, so let's take that off. This one you're going to need an extension because it sits right here. And then what you want to do is you want to just give it a quick pull on this to get it away, and that pulls off the turbo. There you go, that's out of the way. Now next, what you want to do, you want to get the airflow meter off. Okay, and this, for these bolts, you're going to need a, what's this, E7 and an extension. There's another one right under here. Those bolts are off. I mean, you can disconnect it if you want to, but you don't really need to. Just pull this off. Okay, put that away there for the minute. Now for the air filter housing, what you need to do, there's a bolt right at the back here, this one, and you should be able to get your wrench on that. Okay. Okay, that's loose. And then we loosen this one. And this one. Get my extension ready for that one. Right. Okay, you just need to take them up and away from the connection. Take the oil cap off. Okay, now I'm going to show you. I'll try and set this camera down. Now, all you have to do is lift up and move away. Obviously I don't need to change mine, so I'm just going to demonstrate. There we have it. It's out. Let's pop that back in. Just make sure it's sitting on its little nib thing at the back here, which it is, and that's it. Put it all back together, and that's an easy way to change your air filter rather than taking all this off you, then the brace. Hope that helps. So please like and subscribe and watch out for the future videos of the E60 5 Series 525D. In a bit. Bye.